latest information about it says Supreme Court of Ghana a halt to the Kpandai Rerun. According to them, they need more time to study the case, and then in January, out any decision about us to say EC betimi akoso and I say EC intimate koso with that particular by-election. So this is the latest information about and I made them out on the debate with the Munufie. Now, yendo mo suko kakra na yenko bisa and that's yenko wi me say e din important and this nema we nyina aba because then that's sorry and hu say news recently the news around 11:37 and the Kpandai Rerun, the Supreme Court unhappy with absence of EC's representative in court. The issue then say EC repness and Coco Court no one see court ho uncle as a EC didn't mind and a EC go ahead say ye conducted that particular Rerun or Kpandai all the political parties and a campaign and a lot of stuff. In the Supreme Court said there be many just animal ho. They've decided to halt it until somebody make it the final determination of that particular matter. So that is the latest news about Sisi Anamedemana. But let's go down deep and then I'll read some excerpts of the news with me actually. And somebody say the Supreme Court has ordered the Electoral Commission to suspend all plans to conduct a parliamentary run in the Kpandai constituency. The court directed the EC to halt every activity related to the proposed rerun until the case before it is fully determined. This means the commission is barred from taking any steps to organize or conduct the elections for the time being. When the case was heard on Tuesday, December 16th, 2025, the Supreme Court adjourned proceedings to January 13th, 2026 to allow additional time for the justices to consider the issue raised by the parties involved. And the say, Anka this month, at the end of this month, NIEC say, Obabe conducted that particular election and rerun. Now the latest news say, Supreme Court said there be easy to know what's answer. All those already dates about my political parties, campaign, around those kind of things. They need to study the case before it and then make the serious decisions on it because NPP party it raises some serious concern. Be borders on time frame NDC they call filing the case and those kind of things. In the Supreme Court, they need more time to study all these kind of issues. And so I say, that particular rerun akoso. Mama yendo so asuko bib ne nko bi se NPP for lawyer no say e dey porting and also e court ene
substantive case, which is the application for an order of certiorari from this court seeking to quash the judgment delivered by the High Court in Tamale on 24th November 2025. Also, the Honorable Court has ordered that we serve the first interested party, or Mr. Nsala Wakpal, the NDC parliamentary candidate by substituted service, through his WhatsApp, the High Court Tamale notice board at the Supreme Court, and also at his residence in Kpandai. So we are most grateful to the court, and we look forward to making our case in the subsequent sittings of the court set at 13 January 2026. Thank you for your time and attention. The applicant actually prayed for suspension of the process, pursuant to the hearing of the substantive matter, and that is contained in the supplementary affidavit that was served on the Honorable Court. So we are most grateful to the court. It's in the interest of justice that where a legal issue is persistent and we have not reached the finality of it, we do not proceed to take any such decisions that will force the hand of the courts or render the decision of the court negatory. So we are excited that the court has given these orders.
All right, NPP parliamentary, and I said the member of parliament and the lawyer say, because says that particular Kpandai election, a NPP ni and a winner out parliament, so in or an MP or parliament. But na NDC that seminar ako a high court ever tamale said there been some courts who about to know as a party and say o many engine NDC party and engine. Into that particular tamale high court no about to go say yes and call another rerun because a lot of irregularities so about to know according to the court the high court enya dia etwa yiye. It is a utie NPP for lawyer in semi or the court na show okay 13 for member no be making the case, which is 13th of January 2026, meaning say the 31st about one and kebabato this particular year no court and aboys and say yemma en court sabato no all those say na easy making all preparations are political parties in na a campaign. Now me who news because say NDC for campaign bees a mobile kobu because am be a wound those kind of things. Me nyam follow that particular issue very very keenly. Until me name how true or how untrue it is. But that is what I know. They say all the political parties in and I already are no more campaign. Kpandai ho. Until now, about on the NDC I say can't quite be of the budget seat in Biano or budget seat in every NPP in them. So that is something I mean who say NPP for who say in Krufaway. See, ja omane no mko about to hear the on budget. Mete NPP MP na any OB interview bia. I think on this particular show or channel na me say video no. And all team kai say there be about one there. See, Jame kwa about one NDC budget seat in them because NDC amass all the party machineries and panyifo see don't get yamo or so suro say NDC budget party na seat in them. And that is the reason why I would gidi no bian ko wura Supreme Court say Mr. Supreme Court and as Supreme Court for aban papa aba nti enemi wo gidi say e wo mumu so betima ya adwuma papa ma me enye ne amoye wo jache question die ne bi nti mesira mo muntie bi so fere na mama me represent me nsem me present me nsem nkira mo na mama ye hu the reason why ese mama me to so na me di me MP yes NDC for ebeche NDC for GCT nso de mawu ka ma body na me kwakoye na Supreme Court ju wura wakan yate ode yeti wasem say di aban papa aba nti ye pese wunya confidence in us. Nti NPP ni out here that obebo say ene no. Eba cho remember say aban papa ba ye no. One say ene Ghana ni bi anya gidie mapa e wo Supreme Court no. Titina na osono ma amenete ho na nkan mu ko akase mu nkan mu opposition no. Nkan nya the Supreme Court ko beti mo asemo. You all know. So osono ma amenete ho pa nkan nya de amko akonya asem bi aka wo ho. Enti ene de mere fact say Supreme Court kura so we are unhappy about some issues also behind the scene. Enti no mama yam poso na January yamfa ya no December papa emra na yamfa meka asem ni anto no. One say this is the step in the right direction. Say NPP ni kura to one say aban papa bi aye aba. Aban papa aba. Enti me the Supreme Court as say wetimtie what the yamfa na say NPP ni no e bia na asem kura anya da. The mere fact say motie ni nsem ama ode ne nsem abedan mo na motimi agina asigina e passe da bi wo de ye de January ma yisi suspend Rerun also kwakoye na January bi amfa na nsem na ne afidi ye make concrete decision on it as to say nsem amamo kan it make sense and it make sense and as say be tuma ma Rerun akoso and intimi koso these are things as a nation no we need to address it but me de me mani age enye say bi a parties ni bi aboka and ye jama ma aboka you know those kind of things that be. But the mere fact say NPP ni kura confidence e wo judiciary num e hu say ma me mfa masem ko dan judiciary na minim say me kwa pepe ye bi beba pa judiciary no so timi atena say wo de mon poso election answer Rerun no easy pause answer na yenti papa ya say mo do kan say we make the final determination in January until January 13th for no say all the Supreme Court aka say obi amfa ne nsem ye den emra January 13th 2026 obi amfa ne nsem ra na ye metie nsem no na ye wie nsem na mo nyina mo da bedan ye na se wasem fufuru bi aka e beba na ya ka kire mo enti ma mento so the Supreme Court say the decision to hold a Rerun in Kpandai has been challenged following disputes arising from the parliamentary elections, prompting the Supreme Court's intervention. Until a final ruling is delivered, the Electoral Commission is legally restrained from proceeding with the parliamentary Rerun. Enti until say Supreme Court in some of the bedan mo nyina be cancel na wie no Supreme Court say easy to bo ase man hold any election Kpandai Rerun we din montomo political parties no montomo until say yen ye be the final determination awi ni wi na say mo won sem bi kan mo den sem na aboso akọ enti abusua ene sisi amena o say the latest news ni say Supreme Court halt the Kpandai Rerun of the parliamentary election. Me da say for again chere bra in the comment section na nyina yini nkomo no embom